Here I have DJI OSMO ACTION, and today I'm going to show you how to eject SD card from this device. So firstly what you will need to do is to find an SD card slot, which is located here, and then you just have to slightly hold down this button and then pull your finger in this direction to open this slot. As you can see, here you have SD card next to the USB-C slot. So to eject the SIM card you will need slightly longer fingernails than mine, because I just can't eject it with my fingers. You have to pull it a bit and then it will come out. If you don't have longer fingernails than me, then you will need this kind of tool, like a screwdriver or something. Just a bit push this SD card and it will come out. And here it is. And in the same way you have to put it back in. To put it back in you have to push it a bit, and we will need screwdriver here too. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.